NewPa comes from NewPads, and we offer leisure education activities that mix nature, values, and English. Here in Spain, only 42.5% of adults are capable of using English, which is a huge handicap in this moment of globalization, and especially for youth to access employment. That data, combined with the figure that the 87% of Spaniards are worried or alarmed by global warming, makes our immersions a very complete activity to help solve two big problems in society. All our activities are fun, dynamic, and engaging, promoting the use of English at all times. We predominantly work with children, reaching out to them through our main allies, which are families, schools, and different institutions or companies. The other allies that are primordial for us are the different ethical providers that we use in our activities. The project has been self-sustaining thanks to the payments of the families as well as schools and other entities that have hired our services. We have been able to cover the investments needed for camp while maintaining above industry wages for the educators. Apart from our team, the activities are the core of our work. During these 3 years, we have created a big database and we repeat them in different programs while adding slight improvements and alterations. This makes it easy to replicate the project with other teams in various places. We also offer activities for teenagers and adults, and we are working to continue developing new programs for them. In 2 years, we see NewPa as a home for a big community of environmental educators that organizes activities in different areas of Spain. Because not all classrooms have 4 walls.